Hi guys, so today we are going to study about memoization. Why we use memoization, what is memoization as you can read. Memoization is a function called Memoization with the input and does heavy recursion work. We store the result of the first time, next time we reuse instead of recomputing. This is a top-down dynamic technique. Why do we need memoization? Okay, first, what memoization is saying it, we don't have, to don't recalculate same value again, we store it. Okay, that's what memoization do, remembering the answer. As you can see, like for example, this Fibonacci function, you can see it takes a lot of time. We have to calculate every index value again and again, and we don't want to do that. Like if Fibonacci is 14, it will make a millions of calls, which will be the worst for server will take a lot of load. Okay, we don't want that. What we do to counter this problem, we use memoization. What do we store? Every value, every index value. Okay, if we don't do that, we the normal code will repeat all this calls again and again, which will be the worst case scenario for the server and the computer. Okay, to counter this problem, this is the code of memoization. We initialize the DP array. Okay, inside the DP array, what we are doing, we have initialized the size n+1 and all the values -1. Why -1? Like if we didn't calculated any particular Fibonacci index value, for that we have initialized -1. Like Fibonacci at index 5, what would be? Okay, it is not calculated, so it would be -1, and then it will go to we compute its value. Okay, it's the base case. As you can see, if state is if state is less than equal to 1, DP state is not equal to -1. If it is for, if we have already not calculated the value, and solve and store. Here what we are doing, we are solving the equation like for Fibonacci and storing also. Okay, DP as state this, we are storing the value, as you can see. So yeah guys, that's how the code is working. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.